let's check out this problem here. It has 2 square roots in it, and it looks like it's kind of going to be a doozy, and it is. So what we're going to do is find the more complicated square root, which happens to be this one, because of the 3 with the x. Let's move the other one to the other side, to the right side. We're going to add the square root of x minus 1 to both sides, x minus 1. Okay, that cancels over here. We're left with the square root of 3x plus 1 equals, let's do the square root of x minus 1, and then positive 2 or plus 2. Okay, now when we would just have a single square root, we would take the square root of both sides. We're still going to do that, but it's going to look a little different over here. So on this side, when I square it, that's going to cancel, leave me with just 3x plus 1. And when I square this side, what's going to happen? We're going to treat this like a binomial expansion. So we're going to have, let's see, the square root of x minus 1 squared. And then there's going to be 2 times the square root of x minus 1 plus another 2 times the square root of x minus 1. So that's going to be a positive 4 square roots of x minus 1. And then 2 squared is 4. All right? So we can simplify this a little bit. On the left side, it's just going to stay 3x plus 1. On the right side, those will cancel. That's nice. Leaving us with x minus 1. And then plus 4 square root of x minus 1 plus 4. Okay, I can combine some like terms on the right side. And that's going to give me x plus 3 plus 4 times the square root of x minus 1. And then the right side is still 3x plus 1. Let's move x and 3 to the other side so that this square root will be by itself now. Subtract x, subtract 3, subtract x, subtract 3. I'm going to move up here. And that's going to leave me with 3x minus x is 2x. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And then equals, those both cancel. So 4 times the square root of x minus 1. All right. Now, we have this square root by itself, so we're going to square both sides again. And when I do that, on the left side, it's going to be, that's 2 squared, 2x squared is 4x squared. And then 2 and 2 is 4. 2 negative 8x, negative 2 squared is a positive 4, equals, and then over here, what's going to happen is 4 squared is 16, and the square root and the square is going to cancel, so times, instead of square, it's going to be times x minus 1. Those cancel there. All right, let's simplify and get 16x minus 16. Bring this down, 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. Move the 16x and the 16 over, so minus 16x and plus 16. It's going to give me 4x squared minus 24x plus 20 equals 0. That side cancels. Okay, everything over here is a multiple of 4. So we factor out a 4, we're going to be left with x squared minus 6x plus 5, which is really nice because this factors again into, let's see, it's going to be x minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. And if I set everything on this side equal to 0, that's going to give me x equals a positive 5 and x equals a positive 1. Now, we're not done yet. We do have to go back and check for extraneous solutions, but I'll let you do that on your own.